Hi everyone, coming on here today to show you how I did these nails here. You saw my Christmas nails that I did, and I showed you how I did the plastic wrap to get this wrinkled effect here for these nails here. And these ones are different. They're totally different. I did not use the plastic wrap effect here. And the nail that I'm going to be showing you is this one here, the full nail. And these are done the same way. And I'm going to be showing it on my funky looking weird nail, thumbnail. Going to be using the Sally Hansen Insta Dry polish as a peel off base coat on this nail, and that way I will just be able to peel off the nail and show you how that works. And this is my funky looking thumbnail that I have injured. And if you want to see how I injured it the last time, which was a year ago, look up here and you'll see a link for it, and also in the description box below. People have been asking about using this Sally Hansen Insta Dry under an enhancement and seeing if it'll pop off. We're going to do that. This is not something that I recommend for everyone to do. I mean, when you get nail enhancements, they're meant to last. You make the decision to get them, and they're on there to last at least 2 to 3 weeks. You can have an infill. But if you are like some of us on YouTube, where we change out our nail designs quite frequently, or we do a lot of swatching of gel polishes, then this is good to know. But you know, if you're somebody out there that you do your own nails and you really only want your nails to last like maybe a week or less, maybe a few days or whatever, you can use this here under the enhancement. But let me warn you that you notice any lifting going on after, you know, using this, please be sure and pop those nails off, because you don't want any kind of funky stuff getting under those lifts, which can happen. This is a very temporary thing. If you notice lifting, go ahead and pop those nails off. Just oil my nail and rub it in. 2 coats of the Sally Hansen Insta Dry Clear. And I'm going to let each coat dry thoroughly. Decided to apply 3 coats of this, and this is the 3rd and final coat. You'll notice that I did not apply any dehydrator or any primer because I want to peel this nail off when I'm done. But of course, when I did the set, I did this set like December 14th, and it's still on. Today is the 4th of January. So yeah, you know, if you're wanting your nails to last for the long haul, do a proper application. And like I said, this is only temporary. I'm just going to build out a clear platform for my nail. And what I use is just gel to apply my little bits and pieces into place. It acts like a glue. And every now and then I flash cure everything in place and start adding more stuff. All that work done, and now we're going to take it off. I'm going to oil up the cuticle area. A tool, something like this, go around the cuticle area. You can see some of that polish. Okay, see, it's lifting here. Look at that. Can you see? I am able to get my tool up under there. Since I have that pried up a little bit, I'm going to add just a little bit of oil, a little bit more, let it seep under there. I think I'm going to cut the tip off here a little bit. There it goes. Took a little bit. You can see the oil, it seeped underneath there and helped to loosen it. And that's it. Yeah, once cutting the tip off really helped. But yeah, there you go. That is a gel nail enhancement that was beautiful. And I just finished it and we popped it off using Sally Hansen Insta Dry. It worked, everyone. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.